I am going to talk to you on the topic making the most of this rally. We have a rally before us which we were not expecting. We were not prepared for this. Most market participants in March expected markets to be soft. On the contrary, between 1st April and 1st June, which is when the monsoon is going to kick in, we have seen a market rally. And we have also seen the FIIs pour 20,000 crores into Indian equities. None of us foresaw that this would happen, and even those who were kind of expecting a change of heart on the part of FIIs still believe that they could again reverse direction. So, the conviction on FII behavior is still low. To make things more confusing, the VIX or the India VIX is quite low. It is still low and it could probably get lower. When the VIX is low, what does it tell you? It tells you that there is no fear in the market. Retail investors are very confident of investing now and still making money. Such a situation is a good setting for a market rally. It can happen and it is happening before us. But it is a duty of all of us to make use of such a rally, because it is not often that you get a rally in the market when you are not expecting it or when you are expecting it not to happen. So, it is a happy accident for investors and they should make use of such an opportunity. What can you do? First, there are stocks that you are owning without enough conviction now. You can use this rally to exit those stocks. Most people do not want to sell anything when the market rallies, because immediately you have that worry, what will I do with the money? Well, money can wait until you get the best opportunity to deploy that money. There is no need that money should be always deployed. Also, look for opportunities which others are not looking at. That is something which we always do in our professional roles. We look where nobody is looking so that we get some contrarian opportunities. And as luck would have it, every market opportunity throws such opportunities at you. So, when the market is going up, there will be still something the market is selling down, and those sales will eventually complete, and once the sale is over, once the selling is complete, the stocks will start to rally again and go to a better place. Those are opportunities which an investor can pursue in this market and in every market. Also, there may be parts of your portfolio which you wanted to sell all along, but the valuations went down before you did. Use this rally to sell those stocks, because some of them are just being habitually bought by index funds or by institutional investors who already own it. They may be massaging the NAV of their funds, but you may feel that your conviction is exactly the opposite of the institutional conviction. If you are sure, you should act. Maybe you should sell slowly and get out of those stocks where your conviction is running low or much lower today than it was a year or two ago. So, by doing that, you ensure that your portfolio only has your high conviction ideas and you walk out of your low conviction ideas. This market is a very good market to do that, because in the rally all stocks seem to be going up and you can sell what you want to. There is also this worry that what if I sell too soon and I am caught napping or caught unprepared for a further rally in the markets. So be it. You can't time the market top, especially with selling. So, you gradually keep selling and try to stagger your sales. Sense the kind of investment interest in the stocks you want to sell and be very stock specific. If the stock is not seeing much interest and if there is a rise in the prices, sell out quicker. If the stock is seeing a lot of interest institutionally and people are only now coming in, then sell more gradually. You may ask, why should I sell what others are now buying? Well, for every buyer there must be a seller. That is the market. But you could be the seller who did better than the buyer. That is the expectation. Just like you bought correctly, you should also sell correctly or try to do that. But there could be times when your decision may not work out. You could end up being wrong. Accept it and move on. But do not waste a rally like this. by simply watching and doing nothing. Make your portfolio tighter, make it more compact, build more winning ideas into the portfolio, weed out ideas which are yesterday's winners but are unlikely to be tomorrow's winners. Release liquidity from your sale of old holdings, use that liquidity to create space and positions which are new holdings. Always be on the lookout for opportunities which are contrarian, which the market is not willing to look at. Build your conviction there and be ready to invest in them when the valuation is very much in your favor. Don't do it late. Do everything on time so that you are never late to any party. Thank you for watching this video.